I'm going to show you guys how I do my overnight curls really quick. So the first thing that you want to do is start off with somewhat dirty hair. Comb your hair out. My hair is naturally curly, as some of you guys know, but right now it is flat ironed, and you can do this with your hair blow dried, but you don't want it to be super wet if your hair is naturally curly, because then your natural curl pattern is going to get in the way of when you wrap it around the little curly thing. You guys know what I mean. So you're going to just brush your hair out like I said. Then after you do that, you're going to get a banana clip and clip it towards the back of your hair more, because I noticed when I clip it towards the front, the curls do not come out as good. I also put oil in my hair yesterday, so my hair is still pretty oily, but this is the oil I used. And you're gonna just take small sections, okay guys? The smaller sections you take, the better your curls look, I'm noticing. And you're gonna take that little piece of hair, take this and twist it all the way around once, and then you're gonna grab another piece of hair and add it like that, okay? So simple, guys. I've been trying to do this for like the past year, but make sure that we keep it towards the back of our hair, because I noticed that you don't get as much volume. And then, like I said, wrap it all the way around, then grab another piece of hair and add it like that. Then you wrap it around again. Another thing that you guys are going to do is make sure after you tie it, you squish it up. I'm going to show you guys on this side though. Okay, I just realized how much I'm like hopping around in the video. I have a hard time staying still, but leave a little bit of the hair, like a small amount like that, so when you tie it, there's a little bit like sticking out kind of. Because I can never get it all in there anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But I just feel like it gives the curl like a more like it was actually curled look. But after you tie that, you're gonna take it, hold this part, and just squish your hair up. I'm gonna check that little piece in. Then after it should look something like you're gonna need a bonnet, okay? I'm actually gonna sleep with 2 bonnets on because I like dig my head into my pillows. I'm gonna show you guys the back. This is what the back looks like. But we're gonna put the first one on. So what to do next, you take your bonnet off and just pretty much take it all out. And it's important that you unwrap each curl, because I feel like, so I saw this one girl on TikTok and she lifted it up like this, and I was like, oh my god, girl, like that didn't hurt. But I tried doing it and I have naturally curly hair, so it just tangled everything up. So I'm gonna just unravel each piece real quick. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the end. It's cute. This is like what my curls look like. So now I'm gonna, okay guys, I think I actually got it down because it looks really good to me.